Yo, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will back again, and today I'm going to do a ride along. I'm going to do a ride along with Dua's fragrance. This is Mesmerizing Blaze. I got this a while back, and I got a couple of little small wears out of it, but today I'm gonna really do a ride along. It's still summertime here, but it's supposed to be in the 70s this morning, and then later on in the evening, maybe gets to about 85. So since it's a little cooler, it'd probably be okay to wear this. And yeah, so here we go. Start out with fresh sprays, neck, get it on my back, and then on my wrist, there at that pulse point. I may not need all these sprays, but why not? And then I'll put a couple of sprays on my shirt. All right, so there we go. It is a little after 8. It is 5 after 8 right now. Oh boy, 5 after 8. All right, so 8 o'clock in the morning, obviously. So all right, let's get this thing popping and come along with me. Let's see what this thing do. I know it smells amazing, but let's see how it works throughout the day. All right, let's go. All right, so I am on the road now because I have an event that I have to go to. I have a client that's doing a show that's today, so I'm going to check him out. Probably help him out backstage or whatever. But it's only been what? It's almost 9 o'clock now, so it's only been a little while. What, less than 2 hours? So wait a minute, what time did I put it on? I don't know, I can't remember, but it hasn't been that long. So of course the fragrance is still kicking. It's kind of into the mid, pretty much, and it's not like overly powering, which I thought it would be because it's it's warmer. And it's supposed to be, I think it's supposed to get up to 85 degrees or something like that today. And right now it's about 79 degrees, but it's a warm 79. It's kind of humid. So yeah. So anyway, just a little quick check-in, and on the road, I'll check back in a little bit.
And relax. Rear.
Wide and tight.
And relax. 214, that's been worked.
Yeah, so I am finishing up watching track and field and Olympics, and I just wanted to touch bases. It is now 3:15. 3:15. Oh shoot! Wait a minute. Pause. All right, I got a little excited because USA just took gold in the men's 4x4 and the women's 4x4, and the race was crazy. So it's, like I said, it's 3:25 now. So the fragrance is it's pretty much a skin scent, but I'm still catching big whiffs of it, and I just realized that reason I'm catching big whiffs of it is because it's on my shirt. On the on fabric, it still smells like it's in the mid notes, slightly past the opening. And every time I move and turn, I smell it, and it smells good. But on my skin, it's a skin scent. I have someone will have to be really, really close up on me or digging their nose into me like what I just did. So anyway, like I said, it's 3:25 now. So I'll check back in. And maybe I'll see how long it lasts on my shirt. All right. All right, folks. I didn't film a whole lot more because I was really trying to wait for this fragrance to die out. And on my shirt, it still smells like it's midway through the mid notes. It's just not going anywhere. And it is now 9 o'clock. 8:30. 8:30 now. Let's see if that's coming through. It's 8:30 now. On the skin, it became a skin scent after about 6 hours or so. So if you want it to last for a long time, put it on your clothes. Make sure it hits some parts of your shirt or your sleeves or something like that, in addition to your skin, because it changes a little bit different on your skin than it does on the clothes. So this fragrance is amazing. This is Mesmerizing Blaze, and this is a clone of Hypnotic Fire by the Harmonists. And now I think Dua's changed the name. I think it's called, this is Mesmerizing Blaze. I think it's Blaze Mesmerized or something like that, but it's still the same fragrance. Amazing fragrance. So it lasted all day. So let me tell you about the notes. The notes that are in here are pimento, Bulgarian rose, Madagascar vanilla, Indonesian patchouli leaf, and a papanax. And that's what I got. When you first spray this on, it's really spicy, but spicy in the way of like a spice bomb kind of spicy, but it lasts for that quick, maybe about 5 or 10 seconds, and then it gets into this Bulgarian rose, and the rose is like so creamy. It's almost like a candied rose, and it's a very sexy fragrance. I think I got 1 or 2 compliments today, but I ran into a few people, and the hugs were a little bit longer than they normally would be. So it's a great fragrance, and the dry down, it's just kind of like almost like a smoky kind of smoky, fresh, sweet vibe that it has with the vanilla. So yeah. So that was my day with Mesmerizing Blaze, or Blaze Mesmerized. I think that's what it's called now. So yeah. So good fragrance. I liked it. Worked out for me all day today, and I didn't do everything that I was planned on doing. Some plans got changed, but it is what it is. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with your boy. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're hanging out with me, talking about Mesmerizing Blaze by Dua. And catch you on the next one. Deuces.